Is your Hisense TV stuck on a loading bar or frozen during a system update? Don't panic, because we are going to unfreeze your screen and finish that installation right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. A stuck update usually happens because of a network timeout on the 2.4 GHz band, insufficient internal storage, or a corrupted temporary file in the download cache. Let's get your software back on track with these 10 advanced hardware solutions. Step 1. Perform a forced power cycle. Unplug your Hisense TV from the wall outlet and wait for 2 full minutes. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV frame for 30 seconds to clear the system RAM. Step 2. Use a wired Ethernet connection. If the update is stuck at 99%, your Wi-Fi likely dropped a packet. Plugging in an Ethernet cable provides the stable data stream needed to verify the update file. Step 3. Clear the System Update app cache. If you can still reach the menus, go to your apps list and find the System Update service. Clear the cache and data to remove the corrupted download. Step 4. Correct the system date and time. If your TV clock is wrong, it cannot talk to the Hisense update servers. Ensure your time is set to network sync before starting the download again. Step 5. Manually change your DNS settings. Go to your network configuration and set the primary server to DNS 8.8.8.8. This ensures a direct and fast path to the global update servers. Step 6. Remove all USB drives and HDMI 2.1 accessories. Sometimes an external hard drive or a gaming console can cause a hardware conflict that pauses the installation process. Unplug everything and try again. Step 7. Free up internal storage space. Updates need extra room to unpack their files. Delete 2 or 3 apps you don't use to give the TV at least 1 GB of breathing room. Step 8. Use the hardware reset pinhole. Locate the small button labeled Reset on the back of your TV. While the TV is stuck, hold it down with a paperclip for 15 seconds to force a hardware-level reboot. Step 9. Perform a cold boot via the remote. Hold the power button on your Hisense remote for 10 seconds. This forces the Android or VIDA OS to shut down and restart the installation service from scratch. Step 10. Sideload the firmware via USB. If the over-the-air update is completely broken, download the official firmware from the Hisense support website onto a FAT32 drive. Plug it into the service port to trigger a manual hardware recovery. Here's a pro tip for you. If your update keeps failing at the same spot, try turning off your router's firewall for 10 minutes. Some security settings mistakenly block the large data packets used in Hisense system updates. If you are facing any difficulty with these steps, drop a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you get it sorted. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more expert tech fixes. Stay confident, because your Hisense TV is going to be running perfectly.